going to show you how to make a paper frog out of an A4 page. So you have to have these lines, and then later you press to these two corners inside. There is that this, and then later you fold this part fully up, like only till the middle top, on both sides like this. But only one of them should go up, not both. And then you put the same with the other one. Okay, after that you should be having this, and then later you fold again like this in the middle. Can you please give me a like, because I'll be very happy for that, and please leave a comment below. Then you fold them like this up. Okay, then later behind you should be adding this, and then later you should fold this like this. And then later, after you did that, like you should be getting this, and then you fold this thing again like this. And then later you fold this part up like this, so you should be getting like this. And then later, after you have this, you should have open it and fold it again, like a bit down and up like this. And then later, after that, you should be having eyes here if you want, and then later when you press here, you jump. If you want, you can share it with your children and all your fans. And thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I'm going to show how to make a novel. Bye.